Today's vehicle is a 1967 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2 Restomod that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, a couple years back in 2023. And I just found the footage, so I figured I'd put it on here. Somebody might like this car or one like it, get a good idea of what it looks like once it's been resto-modded like this one's been. This one has a GM 6.2 liter LS3 engine with 450 horsepower, and it has Wilwood brakes. And I couldn't tell what was inside it. I forgot to write down what kind of transmission it had. I believe it was a 4-speed, but I'm not 100% sure. Like I said, I put it on here. I figured somebody would be interested in it. I liked it. I figured somebody else would. But that's today's car of the day, a 1967 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2 hardtop, two-door hardtop Restomod with a GM LS3 engine, 6.2 liter with 450 horsepower. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.